Due to various reasons, sometimes we need to forcefully do a redolog switch, but there are two ways of doing this in Oracle. It can be done by either issuing alter system switch log file or by issuing alter system archive log current. Now the question is, which one is better? Both of these commands will force a log switch, but they do it in a different way. Alter system switch log file command is fast as it returns control to the user in less than a second. This is because it does not wait for the archiver process to complete writing the online redolog information to archive log files. It immediately issues a checkpoint and starts writing to the next redolog file. In the background, the switch log file command tells the archiver background process to copy the old redo log file to the archive redolog file system. This command, when issued in a rack environment, only works on the local node, alter system archive log current. When this command is issued, it pauses for a few seconds because it waits for the archiver process to complete writing information from online redolog files to archive log files. Once it's done with writing information to archive log files, only then the logwriter process will continue with writing to the next redolog file or group. In rack environment, it switches the redlogs on all rack nodes. It is synchronous because the command waits until the online redolog file information has been completely written to the archive log files. Another important difference between these two commands is that the alter system archive log current allows you to specify the thread to archive, while the alter system switch log file archives only the current thread. If you do not pass the thread parameter, Oracle will archive all online redolog files in the case of alter system archive log current command. So after looking at the features of both commands, we can say that alter system archive log current command is better as compared to alter system switch log file.